Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapichas here, and today I want to show you a quick game between Chigorin and Schlehter. They were both candidates for the World Championships. They both played one match and they lost. Chigorin was very close, but I mean, the level at that time was not that high, and he couldn't convert his extra piece for a win. And he drew the match and lost it. His opponent Steinitz kept the title. This is pretty strong tournament, 1899 London, won by Lasker convincingly by 2.5 points, something like that. And there was Geza Marozzi, Blackburn, Pillsbury, and a lot of good players. So they were not the best, the Schlehter and Chigorin at the time. Okay, so let's move to the game. E4, E5, and of course, like they used to play at the time, F4. So that, sometimes I don't understand this. They play F4 and then they switch to random, like Roy Lopez, yeah, without a pawn. But that's how they play. Bishop C4. Here Knight F6 was played by Schlehter, but Queen H4 is also good. I recommend Queen H4 actually, because White is playing with fire. Yeah, when they gave up the pawn, and most importantly they weaken the king, and you have this winning check. Not winning, but just giving check is nice, I think. But it's okay. Knight F6, Knight C3, defending the pawn, and Knight to C6, which is, I think, today is a mistake. So C6 is much better, preparing D4, D5. And Black is totally fine. Knight C6, Knight C3, Bishop B4, attacking this E4 pawn, but White castles, yeah, they ready to play Rook E1 and win a piece. And Schlehter made castling move, which is a mistake because d6 is better. You control the center, and there is no mating attack, so just it's more obvious for me. Castling and d5. So White starts the offense the first. Yeah, as Black led them this option, they start attacking. G4, D4, D6. The only move, and Chigorin played h3, which I think is inaccuracy. I could play something different. I just could take this pawn on f4, yeah, and h3 just develops the piece, yeah, because this knight here is clearly misplaced and you want to put it on a e3, but h3 just doesn't give White anything. And well, it kind of semi-defense from Bishop G4, but I don't think Black needs this. So they exchanged, Knight D5, that's okay. Bishop A5, Black doesn't want. And Chigorin took, which is a good move, which I wouldn't consider, I guess, and it's kind of semi-trap, yeah. Schlehter took here, but he should have played Bishop A6. Yeah, again, both players, they kind of skip development, or make a lot of moves which nobody would play now, but this probably because of the tactics. Yeah, if you take here, White might go for this, yeah, and like kind of winning. But of course we don't have to take the knight, we can take here and attack the rook and threaten e2 and all kind of stuff. So Schlehter didn't want it. He played Queen d6, which allows knight to g5. So now a lot of pieces are near the king, and that's how this King's Gambit is won, yeah, so Knight G5, Queen G6, and Knight F7, yeah. Too many pieces aligned here, and too little defenders took, and very nice win with Knight E7 check. You cannot capture with rook it's illegal, so you have to take here. And after all this, we win with queen h5. Actually, Schlehter resigned, I guess, in previous, but we can't really go anywhere. First, white can take here, and if you play something like this, then I will win even quicker. Yeah, I'll take more material. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.